Hey all, I'm Max Carp here, and yesterday I went to Edison, New Jersey, and it was really fun. I bought some stuff. Fuck, shit. Yep. Just kidding. I epically gaslit you. This is all the stuff I actually bought at Edison. Those I just found at Goodwill and thrift store. I don't really know. I don't know why. Fuck. I guess I'll start with the Goodwill shit. Okay, first is a non-train thing. This is Pokemon pack. I only bought it because I like Kabuto. I'm so tired of it being slandered by unfunny Pokemon fans. I will avenge you one day, Kabuto. Next, these all got Goodwill for $5. I don't know why I bought this track pack because I'm not gonna use it. I don't know. I guess the box looks cool. This Rio Grande van. Just no couplings. That kind of sucks. Could I? Oh, yep. Can't open and close the doors. Got this Great Northern boxcar. Ooh. Yep. Here it is. Next we got this tanker car. Hudson Bay Oil and Gas. It's all these. I think besides this, no, actually no. All these are made from plastic, so I don't know how good these old stock are, but $5. We got this Main Central. I don't know. Just I forgot words. Yeah. Got some trees there. Another van. And last but not least, this Grand Canyon line van. This will go extremely well with my UK base engines. Yep. Oh, that's all the Goodwill stuff. Now time for the cool shit. Let's start with the least interesting things. First got two book catalog things. Like Bachmann 2024 and 3. Yep. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these books. Next we got this Take Along Bolstrode I got. It's kind of silly looking, $10. Probably not a good deal. I don't know. Kind of cool though. Some Tommy and Trackmaster items. First got this breakdown tray I got for $1.50. The only damage it has, like this, has some like marker stains and the front coupling's broken. Yeah. Next we got this Mattel Trackmaster Harvey. Got for $3. Yep. This is a few stick of damage. Nothing that bad. Yep. And for the last Tommy item is this Tommy Neville I got for $2.50. The only thing it's missing is tender one traction, the tire, rubber tire, what the fuck, I don't know. And like side rods. But it actually still works. The next item I got is a lorry one. Yes, I somehow found a lorry 3 at the train show for $5. It's missing its cargo and it's not in the best condition, but that's actually hype. Literally, the same vendor had like a 2000s, like the late 2000s handle, and I have a Hue I wanted to buy. They together would have cost $30 more than this lorry 3. I never thought of the day I would actually get a lorry 3. It's really cool looking. It's probably, this may actually be my favorite thing I got here at Edison. It's got some Bachmann Easy Track. Yep. The last two things I'm gonna go smallest to biggest. It's got Bachmann Edward. I was stuck between picking this, Gordon, Henry, or Daisy. Maybe I picked the wrong choice, but I like Edward. He's so cool. You probably won't see me unbox him because I don't know. I don't want to. Fuck you. My fault. Fuck. And last but not least, this Thomas with Annie and Clairvaux set. Like I have Bachmann, I have like HO track, but they suck dick. Like no matter how hard I clean them, they never work. So I just gave up and paid for this. Yeah, but let's go with another Thomas and with Annie and Clairvaux, which I don't have. So, yep. Probably the next clip you'll see is like me just running these enemies around. Yeah, that's cool. First running test with Thomas. So hype. Oh my god, missing coach reference. Holy crap. Oh my god, that is so hype. Missing coach. God. Gangster coach sweet. Custom made by Dax, by the way.